Ciao guys and welcome back to It's Delicious. Today we're going to be making wine. So these are the grapes in my garden, the common variety, they're just Americana. I would suggest use better grapes, but for this video this will do. So the first thing you're going to be doing is just put them into a pot or some kind of container and crush the grapes. Use a cup or a mug or something just to make it a bit easier for you. So get that done, make sure you crush all the grapes. And when you finish crushing them, remove all the vines. You have to take the vines out, it gets very bitter otherwise. Then just simply pour it into a bucket, and that's where the fermentation is going to start taking place. What you've got to do is make an airlock. If you haven't got a proper one, just make one. It's simple. Just take a pipe, any pipe, stick it into the lid of the container, make sure it's very well sealed, and then that pipe will run into a bottle filled with water. This enables the gases to escape, but no air to get in, so you won't get vinegar. After 24 hours you'll see this happening. That's the fermentation starting, and that's going to carry on now. We're going to let that carry on for 10 days. So during these 10 days, what you have to do is every single night you're going to have to stir the grapes. You don't want the top grapes to oxidize, or otherwise it'll turn to vinegar. So every single night you're going to stir it nicely, making sure that all those top grapes get pushed to the bottom and that they don't dry out and oxidize. Remember to do this every single night, guys, otherwise you're going to have vinegar, and that's not going to be ideal. Then we're going to clarify it. So pour it through a sieve. You're going to take out all the pips and skins. This needs to be done. Right, now that that's done, that liquid is going to stay in the container for 30 more days. During those 30 days, I want you to pour the liquid from one container to the other, being very, very gentle and making sure that the sediment at the bottom doesn't mix up. I also pour it through paper just to make sure it becomes extra clear.
Guys, so it's finally reached bottling time now. From start to finish, it's been 45 days. So
I sterilize my bottles first, then you just use a funnel to fill up the bottles, and that's it. Seal them up with cork. It's quite difficult to push it in, but you'll get it done. And that's it, guys. The wine is bottled and corked.
Chin chin. Not bad. It's not vinegar. That's the most important part. Cheers, guys.